Motherfuckers know it's plenty fish in the sea. Now we sweating me just cause I got the tightest whore. But I couldn't find out that thing without microscope. Give me dome, dome, da 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 da, dome, dome, dome. I ain't tripping on your money, money, long, long, long. Want my own TV production company, so tell her about to hit me silly. Anyway, Riri, what rhymes with your name freely? Money got you vacationing in Chile? Do you wanna sit on the balcony like really, really, really?
No, for real, really?
Lay down here on the beach, they be feeding me my catfishes, cause it's raining men, fat bitches.